Oh, where is a wolverine wild? Way up in the mountains freezing cold, or down in the valley where it smiles, running in an odd manner, I am told.
In north-central British Columbia, the territory of the Tsay Keh Dene Nation is remote, rugged, and in winter, this mountainous landscape can be cold, harsh, and unforgiving. For many mammals, this is a challenge, but for the wolverine, it is perfect. A wolverine's body is built for this place, shaped by adaptation. Broad paws that act as snowshoes in the winter, fur that is dense and warm, jaws strong enough to crack frozen bone, and muscular bodies that allow them to scale mountains and travel long distances. Wolverines use a range of habitats, moving large distances from high alpine to valley bottom, hunting marmots and other small mammals, ungulates including caribou and sheep, as well as scavenging on the carcasses killed by wolves or grizzly bears. Wolverines occur at lower densities, even in high-quality habitats, and are sensitive to disturbance. Their home range, often in remote wilderness, and ability to travel long distances makes them difficult to study. The last survey of wolverines in our study area took place in the late 90s. It found high-quality habitat here, with an estimated 6.5 wolverines per 1,000 square kilometers.
Might as well lead a trail in. Trail of good smelling stuff.
Since then, widespread forestry and wildfires have changed the landscape, and we don't know how those changes have impacted the wolverine populations. In 2024, Chucho Environmental began a multi-year study to estimate the density and abundance of wolverine across the range of the chase herd of southern mountain caribou in north-central British Columbia, west of the Williston Reservoir, from the Injanika River to the Ossalinka River. This study uses paired hair snag and wildlife camera stations as non-invasive means to survey wolverine populations.
We are camera trapping with our camera over here and hair snagging with our alligator clips and barbed wire here on the run pole. And we have our lovely beaver strung above us. The idea is that the wolverine will climb up the tree, ideally through some of this barbed wire that we've got here, go through this barbed wire and through the alligator clips, and then put its front paws up here. And as it does that, we'll get pictures of its chest pattern so that we can do individual ID based on the chest pattern. It's going to basically put its front paws up here and then try to jump at the bait, so that's why the bait's strung up high up there. And then, yeah, the idea with the barbed wire is the barbed will capture the hair as it passes through, and then the alligator clips, these will be individual hair samples ideally. So as the wolverine passes through, it'll grab hair and then it'll come off. So each alligator clip should only have hair samples from one wolverine.
Remote fieldwork in winter comes with its own challenges, including cold weather, short days, difficult travel, and gear malfunctions, to name a few. While this fieldwork is challenging, it is crucial in helping us understand wolverine populations in Tsay Keh Dene Nation territory. In year one, 38 monitoring stations were established. Wolverines were detected at 76% of those stations. 144 hair samples were collected and have been undergoing genetic analysis, which will allow us to determine the individual identity and sex. In year two, we will work to complete this all over again and combine year 1 and 2 data sets to be able to estimate wolverine density and abundance. These findings will help contribute to Tsay Keh Dene Nation's land management goals and help us better understand wolverine populations in central British Columbia.